Hello everyone, welcome back here at La Arnie's Kitchen and Food Creations. Today I would like to share with you on how to make soft chocolate chips cookies. This is very easy to bake type of cookies and it's very delicious. So let's start. So using my KitchenAid electric stand mixer with its paddle attachment, I am going to add 1 cup of unsalted butter. So I placed 1 cup of unsalted butter. So it's a little bit softened. So I have to add 1 cup of brown sugar. So this is 1 cup of brown sugar and 1/2 cup of white granulated sugar. And then we are going to beat this using our paddle attachment, good for 5 minutes. But prior to that, we'll try to preheat our oven into 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So we will preheat our oven 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Set that aside for now. So I'm going to put luck into my electric mixer and then try to beat it in slow beat mode first. This is good for 5 minutes. Increase it. This is what we call creaming method. Until this will become creamy. Okay friends, after 5 minutes, I'll have to lower it. Turn it off for now and I'll have to unlock this one. This is the unlocking part, and lift up my tilt it or lift it up. So I'll have to make sure that I'll have to scrape the sides of this. After that, lovely friends, I am going to add 2 large eggs. Here you go. Into my mixture. And add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. There you go. And then beat this for maybe 1 minute. So I have to lock this one again and beat this for 1 minute. Okay, wonderful friends, after 1 minute, I'll have to slow down. Slow. And then I'll have to tilt this one because I'm going to add my dry ingredients. So I prepared 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of iodized salt into here, into the dry ingredients, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. So 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt, iodized salt, and I'm going to add that here all together. Lovely. There you go. And then beat this for maybe 1 minute I'll close this. I will lock this one and beat it slowly so that the flour will not go all over the place. And then make it a little bit higher or faster. Okay, like that. Sorry for the noise. So I will lower it after 1 minute. I'll have to turn this off and unlock this. And I'm going to add my 2 cups of chocolate chips cookies. Chocolate chips. So that's 2 cups. So 1 cup and the other at the bottom is another cup. So 2 cups. So I will just add that one here. Beautiful. So put down the mixer again. Lock it here and just slow beat. A little bit fast. Okay. Until the chocolate chips will be all together. So I'll have to slow down. Okay. There you go. A little bit faster. Okay, there. It's done. So there you go, wonderful friends. I clean up my paddle attachment. And then this is, so I washed my hands. I have clean hands. So this is the consistency of our butter cookie mixture. There you go. So I'm going to form that, or took a piece and place that into my baking dish or baking pan with parchment paper, lined with parchment paper, and then we will bake it. I have here my parchment paper. This is very, very good for baking purposes in comparison to wax paper, because wax paper sometimes it creates smoky product. So I have to dish out my cookie mixture and form this into my tray. Okay, wonderful friends, I'll have to take out at least 1 tablespoon of cookie dough mixture and just put this into my baking dish. So there should be at least 1 inch apart so that there's a room for the growth of your cookie. Okay, there you go, wonderful friends. I still have the remaining dough here, cookie dough. And so you do not really need to have a perfect round, but if you do want to have it really, really in good perfect size or same sizes, you can use the ice cream scoop. Then you can just, take a scoop and dish it out. So we'll try to bake this into our oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 13 minutes, depending upon the type of oven you have, because no matter what, oven really varies its temperature. This is now ready at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I am baking this at the oven's middle rack here so that the baking is quite balanced. It's not really very, very overly cooked at the bottom part, neither at the top one. There you go, friends. So I'll have to close it. So once I opened the oven, so all of the heat was gone, right? So I have to wait at least 1 minute before I have to set my timer. So I will time that for, let's say, 13 minutes because it might take from 12 to 15 minutes. So set that aside and we'll try to see that after 12 minutes. So these are the remaining of the cookie dough. So I produced 24 pieces or 2 dozens of good sizes. Okay, wonderful friends, after 13 minutes, but actually I added 2 more minutes. So in total baking time at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, it took me 15 minutes. So I have to turn this off and come, let's see our output of our cookies. So it's really beautiful. I have to take this out so you can see up close and personal. Okay, dear wonderful friends, this is now the output of our soft chocolate chip cookies. So this is very delicious. Look at the bottom part. It's just perfectly brown. Nice. Thank you very much for watching La Arnie's Kitchen and Food Creations.